future nurses, welcome back to Simple Nursing's Explained Simply series, where we take the topics that make your brain hurt and make them finally click. Today, we're breaking down something you've probably heard tossed around in nursing school and on the job: assessment-driven learning. And if it's been confusing you, don't worry. By the end of this video, it's gonna stick. So what is assessment-driven learning? Here's the simple version. Instead of just sitting through hours of lectures and hoping something sticks, you start with an assessment, like a quick diagnostic quiz. That assessment finds your knowledge gaps, then points you straight to what you need to study. Think of it like a head-to-toe assessment on a patient. You don't just guess what's wrong, you assess first, then you treat. Assessment-driven learning does the same thing for your brain. Assess the gaps, then close them. Now, why does this matter for nursing? Because nursing school is massive. Pharmacology, patho, prioritization, lab values. You can't study everything equally and survive. Assessment-driven learning helps you spend your time where it actually counts, on what you don't know yet. And here's the kicker. Research backs this up. A study on onboarding new graduate nurses found that assessment-driven, personalized learning improved their knowledge, their critical thinking, and their job satisfaction. So this isn't just about passing exams. It's about becoming a safer, more confident nurse on the floor. So how does it actually work in practice? Let's break it down into 3 simple steps. Step 1, assess. Take a diagnostic test to see where you stand. Be honest with yourself here. This is your baseline. Step 2, target. Use those results to zero in on your weak spots. Crushing it on Maslow's but bombing acid-base balance? Then guess what you're studying tonight? Step 3, reassess. After you study, test yourself again. Did you improve? Awesome, move on. Still struggling? Loop back and review. Notice something? It's a cycle, just like the nursing process. You assess, you act, you evaluate, and you do it again. Sound familiar? That's ADPI energy right there. Here's where it gets real. You'll use this all the time in clinicals and on the NCLEX. Every practice question you miss? That's a diagnostic moment. It's flagging a gap. Instead of feeling defeated, use it. Go review that exact concept, then test yourself again. That's assessment-driven learning in action, and it's how your critical thinking grows fast. The takeaway is simple. Don't just consume content, test, target, and repeat. That's the secret sauce for retention. And that's assessment-driven learning, finally made simple. If this helped it click, smash that like button, drop a comment with your biggest takeaway, and subscribe so you never miss a lesson. Ready to put it into practice? Head to Simple Nursing and try our quizzes and diagnostic tools. They're built to find your gaps and help you close them fast. You've got this, future nurse, and we've got you. Catch you in the next one.